Ayan, let's put skin therapy with fish oil. Ayan siya, fish oil, guys. So, ayan, binawasan ko siya. I take some off and I will put 15 fish oil on it. Hindi ko siya iniinom ang capsule kasi tingnan nyo guys, ang shell nito is super kapal. So that's not good for our body. So hindi ko iniinom yan. Nilalagay ko something. This Palmer skin therapy, you can add many as you want with this, with the fish oil. Fish oil are really good for our skin. That's why people take this. And they do also add into your skincare for your face. I use this for my whole body. This is my lotion. Ayan, very simple. You can use this as a lotion overnight. When you woke up, skin is nice and moist. Yeah. I never showed this before, but it's good to share others too. If you guys want your skin smooth, get the Skin Therapy Palmer's oil therapy, like this bottle here. And they're pricey, but they're really worth it, guys. You don't want to put too much chemicals into your skin. But this one is really good with the, just add a fish oil. Fish oil is, there's a good benefits for our body, but I don't like to drink it. I mean take it, because see how big is the capsule? It's huge. Yes, I do not like to drink it. 15 nilagay ko dito. Diba? Ang dami. Ang dami niya. Ayan na. Sakto siya. Perfect. Ayan na siya. These are 15. Hindi pa nga na siya puno. Pwede ko siya adan ko pa. Mag-add pa ko ng 5. Kasi ilan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 lang pala to. Ay, 14 ito pag isa. I-add natin itong isa. So, 15 fish oil capsule. Pwede ko pa siya lagyan ng 5. Para sulit. Kasi hindi ko to iniinom talaga. Lagyan pa natin ng 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's try 5 more. 5 more. Nagyak ako, guys. Nagyak ako sa floor. Yan. Sa isang bottle, pwede niyo lagyan ng 15 to 20. Pero, before lagyan ng fish oil, take some out. Take some out of the oil from the bottle kasi it gets too full. There's no room for fish oil. So, ako binawasan ko siya para mayroon ako. So, bali 20 capsule ang nilagay ko nitong bottle na to. So, marami. Maganda to siya, guys. Pang whole body. Yan ang lotion. Yan ang lotion na, guys. Ayan. So, that's it. 20 capsule ang nilagay ko nito. 20. Tapos, Tapos i-shake nyo lang siya, ganun. Nakita nyo, nagbubble-bubble siya. So, ayan, nagbubble-bubble siya. Pataas siya. Ayan. Ganyan nyo lang siya. O, diba? How simple tip. Simple tip to make your skin glowy. You can still do your skincare routine. This one is, let's say, you can tell is the original Palmer's. May logo talaga siya dito sa baba, guys. Ayan siya sa baba. Palmer's. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, di ba? Skin therapy. So, ayan na siya. Ayan ang beauty ng skin ko. Lalo ng mga stretch marks. So, maganda to, guys. Super ganda. Ayan siya. So, that's that. Hello. Ayan, nagawa ko ng para sa skin ko. Ayan siya. Yung ginawa kong lotion. Those are the Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil. Ayan siya. May logo siya sa baba. So, this one, binawasan ko lang siya. Kinukunan ko, I remove like this much like that. Tapos I added this one. I added 20 capsule of fish oil. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys. Yan ang laman. Yan ang shell ng fish oil. Diba? Mga tao, iniinom nila tong capsule. Plastic. Ayoko. Hindi ko siya iniinom. Guys. Kasi feel ko hindi siya maganda sa balat. So, maganda siya. Ang laman nito, ang fish oil, maganda sa skin natin. So, yan. Cut ko siya. Tapos, di-add ko dito. Sa skin therapy na nandito yung mga babies ko. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nandito sila. Nagyakap mo ko, guys. Sa floor. Ayan sila. Nagbinod na akong tiil. You're watching. Watch my baby mama. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Wait, mommy's almost done, ha? Tugu. Tug. Pang. You want mommy put some fish oil on your head? Huh? You want mama put fish oil? Tugu. Smell. Do you smell fish? That you guys wants to smell too. Yeah. Here. Fish oil. Gee, you're licking it. And don't eat it. Okay. That's it. Fish oil. Did it make your hair soft? Like that, make your skin soft. You guys excited? That's not food. It's fish. Fishy. Okay. We're done. We are done. Didn't we have fish oil before here?
Yeah, I tried. It gave me the shits.